You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this country in Europe, as well as how to say more confusing country names too many people mispronounce, so stay tuned to the channel to learn more. In English, it's generally referred to as the Liechtenstein, but in German, so locally, it's not how it is to be pronounced, but rather Liechtenstein. Liechtenstein is how you'd normally want to say it. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support, and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.